Lala Chan? Are you ready? Show them what you got. Let's go, Lala Chan.
Dance ka na, dance.
Everyone, samahan po natin si Lala Chan mag-dance.
O, dance na, sama din.
Play
Naiiya.
in our event area.
Ay, si Lalo dyan, oh.
Pinalapit tayo sa likod ni Lala Chan. Lahat po ng kids na nasa Nalikiri, toy corner area, and extra we're inviting you to join Lala Chan event here in our event area. Alright, lahat po ng kids na nasa Ballpool area, we're inviting you to join Lala Chan here in our event area. Lahat po ng kids pwede po sumali. And after this, bibigyan ka ni Lala Chan ng surprise gift. Alright, everyone, lahat ng kids, samahan po natin si Lala Chan here in our event area. Magda-dance and play po tayo kasama si Lala Chan. Hi, kids! Hi! Lala Chan, may gusto kang sabihin sa ating mga kids?
Ay, daw.
Sabi ni Lala Chan, daw po ng maliliit sa harap. And stand up lang daw po. So yan, sa lahat ko ng kids na sa Ballpool and Toy Corner, we're inviting you to join Lala Chan in our event here in our event area in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ate Kuya, sali po kayo. Sabi ni Lala Chan. Alright, hi kids!
Punta ka dito kay Lala Chan. Punta kay Lala Chan, bilis.
Good hands, hands up. And shake, shake, shake.
Punta ka dito kay Lala Chan, bilis.
Arms down. Very good. Before we start, magpapakilala po natin today. We are the event team. I'm Ate CJ. Together with our partners, Ate Jan and Ate Angel. Of course, let's not forget our very cute and lovely Lala Chan. Say hi to Lala Chan. May gusto ka ba sabihin, Lala Chan? Ano yun, Lala Chan? Sabi ni Lala Chan, kids, mag-warm up dance daw po tayo. Okay po ba sa inyo? Okay, Lala Chan, gusto mo mga kids. Gayahin niyo lang po si Lala Chan, kids, okay? Lala Chan, ituro mo nga po yung first two step. Step 1 daw, kids, sabi ni Lala Chan. Look po natin si Lala Chan. Twist, twist, and clap.
Ay, sorry.
Twist and clap. Very good. Step 2. Point to the right and step. Point to the left and step. Good job. Ready na po ba, kids? Opo. Gayahin niyo po si Lala Chan, everyone.
Dance ka na kay Lala Chan.
Alright. Ate Angel, music please.
O, sige na.
Kaya mo kilala dyan.
Ayun na, Jayla.
Gayahin na po si Lala Chan. Twist. And clap. Point. Good job. Alright, and shout. Kabila naman, kids. Very good. Lala Chan, ang gagaling na ating mga kids at si Bobby. Alright, twist ulit, kids. And clap.
Ay,
Good
ganda sila.
job. Ayan, ang galing din ni Lala Chan. Point. Everyone, get ready to pose. Very good. Sabi ni Lala Chan, sit down daw po
Andun, luto-luto.
tayo.
Dance na kay Karen.
Mag-play na po tayo ng game. Alright, Ate Jonna, Ate Angel, pakita niyo nga po sa mga kids kung ano po yung game na lalaroin natin today. Sabi ni Lala Chan, kids, ang lalaroin na po natin for today, Lala Chan, ano po yan? Is sack race. Ayan, meron po tayo
Lang
ang
lang.
Ito ang ating phone. Meron po po. Safety reminder, sabi ni Lala Chan, no pushing, no running, no fighting, just enjoy the game and jump slowly. Okay, Lala Chan, are you ready to play? Kids, are you ready to play? Stand up na po tayo. For tayo ng two teams. Team A ni Ate Jana. Team B ni Ate Angel. Gusto ni Ate CJ, within 10 seconds, may team na po kayo. Team A and Team B. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Baby, sabi ikaw. Alright, ayan. Ate Angel, Team B. One line po tayo. Team A, one line. Si Ate, nasa dulo ng Team A, magdadalawang ikot. Since fourth ang member ng team ni Ate Angel. So, mga kids ko na gusto po mag-join, pwede pa po kayong sumali sa ating event. After po na ito, may bibigay na surprise gift si Lala Chan sa inyo. Alright, Team A and Team B, are you ready? Lala Chan, are you ready? Ready na rin si Lala Chan mag-cheer. Team A and Team B, round 1 in 3, 2, 1, go! Jump! Go Team A! Go Team B! Ikot, ikot! Balik sa team! Balik na! Alright, good job! Go Team A! Go Team B! Lala Chan, tulungan naman natin mga kids! Alright, nakita na po ating team B!
Pabili. Pabili po.
Jump! Jump!
Pabili nga. Egg. Isang egg.
Good job, Team B!
Opo, isa.
Alright, panalo na po ulit sa
Opa.
first ng ating Team B. Team A and Team B, balik po tayo sa ating
Ano to,
team.
takoyaki?
Balik po tayo sa pwesto. May isang round pa po tayo. Ate Angel, asa na po yung Team B mo? Ate Jana, okay na po